Hi, welcome to FilesDNA tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add Google 2FA security option. Click on your profile and select User Verification. Select option Security Settings. Here you can manage your user security. We have a lot of great options to choose from. In this video I will show you how to add Google 2FA. To link your FilesDNA account, please open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Click on a plus sign. Select option Scan QR barcode. Hit Next. Enter the password generated in your app. Click on Submit. Now you have two options to choose from. You can secure your PDF documents and secure your saved signatures. We will go ahead with option 1 and submit. Well done. You have added the Google Authenticator security option. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you next time.